Hello and welcome at Enforce Tac TV, your digital version of the Enforce Tac 2026. And we are so happy to be again here at the Taiga booth with Oscar. Thank you very much for having us.
Thanks to you.
Okay, Oscar, what do you want to show us this year?
So, over the years, a lot of developments is going on, and of course, in these days, as everyone else, the need of protection from drones and thermal cameras and such things has been a high demand. We started actually 5 years ago, at least, together with one Northern European end user that really had the need for such a thing, and started very early, I would say, with signature managements and so on. So after some developments and so on, we've tested a few things and so on, but this is now an outcome of a thermal or multi-spectral poncho that with a fabric from HT4 that covers in all the frequencies actually, from visual camouflage all the way up to radar.
Okay, amazing. So, and you have this, for example, like as a poncho, but also in different systems? Or?
Yeah, so actually the idea started from the end user having wished to have a uniform basically made in that.
All right.
Well, we've developed that and so as well. We're not really ready with it yet, but we ended up with a poncho and a top.
Okay.
So for the static OPs, but also for the more, movable and so as well, or short-term OPs. So we do it as poncho, we do it as tops, and so on, with a possibility to get it in different applications.
Okay.
So doing it like this one with the LC version, where you have laser cut leaves, 2 layers of fabric to improve the functionality, of course, but gives even a better visual camouflage to it.
Okay. So, but also you have attachment points here, so you can put it somewhere.
Yeah.
You can put it over you in a rush, so if there's something happening, so, okay.
Yeah. There are the connections points and so on, and we do them basically depend on the requirements from the end users. So we do with the tops, for example, doing different kinds of measurements depending on the request. What is it that you're supposed to cover? Is it a person or an OP or maybe even a vehicle, for example?
I see.
And so on. And then also being able to do it as a reversible one.
Okay. You have it here like in a woodland configuration. Do you have also other applications, other colors?
Yes. What we have now and so on would be in the first one to go out with is the woodland green one, which we have with a possibility to get into reversible. Yeah. So as a stone grey reversible side for mountains or the archipelago and coastline areas. Yeah. And so on. But we're also working the white cam versions and so on. The good thing is that you can make it in the way you want it. So in either if you want to have it single layer or double layer fabric, of course that depends on price, volume, and weights and such things. But it goes down to what is the primary thing that you're looking for, so on in the product.
Good. All right. So thank you very much. Okay. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you hit the bell, you get information about the new videos. Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you so much. Thank you.